Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm trying some new LA Girl products. I've never really tried a lot of their products, so I thought, why not? They're cheap, the price is right. Ulta was running a special today. It was like buy one, get one 40% off. So yes, I was all about that life. So I bought 6 new things. I didn't swatch anything in the store. I just chucked it in and we split. So this is my very first time ever trying them on, and so if you want to see what I think of the products, please keep watching. Let's get right into it. I'm going to use today the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. All right, my color that I picked is natural. It's my shirt, it's making noises. I have not swatched this, so I have no idea if it's going to be my color or not, but we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna see how it works. All right, a little dark, but that's okay. Make it work. It smells like, I hate to say it, almost smells like cleaning supplies. All right, let's see. The easiest thing with these is to take it down the neck. This is the easiest tool for blending down the neck. It's faster. So this color is too dark. They only had 6 colors in this particular foundation, which is nothing. So that's the only thing that stinks, that they don't have a wide variety or a wide shade variety, but I like it. It's definitely illuminating. I mean, if you're oily, I don't know if I would go for this. I'd go for their, they have a matte one, and I'd maybe try that because, as you can see, I love it, but it's dewy. Just gonna lift you up here. No, it's not too bad. Okay, so I have the Velvet Bronze Contour Stick, just a chubby stick. I think it's in the color Suede, so I'm going to contour my face using that, but I'm gonna use this mirror too as well. All right. Ooh. Got a little heavy-handed. Feels really, really creamy, really, really smooth. So, let's see. Okay. God, the lighting today, stinky. This is definitely, the foundation needs to have some powder because it's just very, very, very dewy. I love this cream contour stick. Love. Put some on the edge of your nose. Makes it look smaller at the end. And then I put a little underneath my lips because it'll make my bottom lip look more plump, juicy. And that double chin. There. Might do a little extra because now, gonna lift you back up again. Looks like it kind of moved my foundation around. So, see how it's like, I do a little bit more. Try to cover that up. There. Okay. Now next we have to powder this because I can't even deal. I did not buy the powder. They don't have a ton of shades, so nothing was really screaming out to me. And they don't have any like contour palettes. They have the sticks, but they don't have any bronzers or anything like that. So I am gonna have to use some of my stuff, which is fine. Over my contour, I'm just gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Yeah, I mean, I really liked it, but whew, I felt like a grease monkey. The contour stick is a must. A must, a must, a must. All right, gonna do my eyebrows quick. Ta-da! Okay, so I just put on my eyebrows and finished my lower lash line. I didn't want this video to be like 25 minutes, so I just did my eye makeup prior to filming this. So blush, lip, and we're done. I'm going to try the Just Blushing and Just Playful. Can't get this mother opened. Very, very, very neutral color. Very pigmented. Yes, give it to me. Blush is making a comeback this year, let me tell you. People forgot about blush last year, but that baby is back. This looks an awful lot like MAC Melba, which is one of my all-time favorites. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go find it. Okay, so get ready for this. Here is MAC Melba. Don't mind my nails. I had a dark color the other day. And here is the LA Girl Just Blushing. I don't even know how much the MAC ones are. I want to say they're almost $20. I'm pretty, or 20, I wish, 30. I think they're around 30 bucks. This one is $3.99, I think. Get my receipt here. Yeah, the foundation was $6. The contour stick was $4.22. I forgot to do my concealer. Blush is $4.22. I cannot believe I forgot to do my concealer. Hello? Why didn't you guys remind me? All right, so this is the Pro Conceal. I've used it before to contour, but never to highlight. So it's in the color Natural. Now I've already, let's get it going here. I have already put on my blush, so I'm gonna just keep it really high. I can't believe myself. I'm rushing because I know my husband's gonna be home any minute, and I just do not want him to see me do this. I'm just too embarrassed. Not to mention my baby girl is about to be up from her nap, so I got time for all this. So far I'm really liking this stuff. What I don't like is they don't have a ton of shade ranges. Like I want to say there were 3 concealer colors, which is best of luck. I love that. It really did brighten up, so yeah, works for me. I don't know about as a concealer to cover up a blemish. I don't know if it would be that powerful, but right? Yeah, they ain't kidding, it's nude. So, way too nude. I didn't buy any lip liners, but I have this one right here. I just grabbed it. It's by Wet n Wild 712. I'm gonna go around my lips to try to take away some of that. Now that I put some of this, I mean, I think it looks a little bit better. Tried to overline them a little bit because I can't help myself. There. I like that. I could hang with that. I feel like the sun's coming out now that I'm like done. The struggle. I love that it smells like mint. So 2 options. I like this one. I think it just depends on what you were going for. If you wanted a more pinky gloss one. I didn't like the nude on its own, but once I added the lip liner, I was like, yep, good to go. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll list all the products down in the description bar below of what I used and the names. So if you want to go and get them, you can. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.